Winter mornings can feel lazy, but what if we told you there's a way to kickstart your day with energy, detox your body, and feel refreshed all day long? Today, we're sharing 8 easy-to-make winter detox juices that will cleanse your system, boost immunity, and brighten your mornings. 1. Citrus Blast Juice. Our first juice is a powerhouse of vitamin C. Combine freshly squeezed oranges, grapefruits, and a splash of lemon juice. This blend strengthens your immune system, flushes out toxins, and gives your skin a radiant glow. 2. Ginger Turmeric Elixir. Next up, the Ginger Turmeric Elixir. Blend fresh ginger and turmeric roots, add a dash of honey, and squeeze in some lemon. This golden juice reduces inflammation, improves digestion, and keeps winter colds at bay. 3. Beetroot Pomegranate Punch. For a burst of antioxidants, try the Beetroot Pomegranate Punch. This vibrant drink improves blood circulation, enhances stamina, and supports liver detoxification. Plus, it tastes amazing. 4. Apple Cinnamon Delight. Nothing screams winter more than apples and cinnamon. Blend crisp apples with a pinch of cinnamon for a detox juice that balances blood sugar levels and promotes digestion, while giving you a cozy winter feel. 5. Kale and Spinach Green. Detox. Need a green juice? Blend kale, spinach, cucumber, and green apples for a nutrient-packed detox. This drink is rich in chlorophyll, which helps cleanse your liver and improve overall metabolism. 6. Carrot Ginger. Glow. Brighten your mornings with Carrot Ginger Glow. This juice is rich in beta-carotene, which boosts immunity and enhances skin health. A touch of ginger gives it a zingy flavor. 7. Cranberry Lime Cleanse. For a tangy winter treat, try the Cranberry Lime Cleanse. Rich in antioxidants, this juice is great for urinary tract health and supports detoxification. 8. Warm Honey Lemon Detox Water. And finally, a classic. Warm Honey Lemon Detox Water. This simple drink jumpstarts your metabolism, flushes out toxins, and soothes your throat on chilly mornings. Start your mornings with one of these detox juices and feel the difference in your energy and health. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy living tips.